case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In Ricketts v. Adamson, a 1987 Supreme Court case, the central question was whether a state could retry a defendant for the original charge if the defendant breached a plea agreement in which they had agreed to waive their double jeopardy defense. The case arose when a defendant pleaded guilty to second-degree murder and agreed to testify against others involved in the murder. The plea agreement specified that if the defendant did not testify or did so untruthfully, the first-degree murder charge would be reinstated. The defendant testified, but when other individuals' convictions were later reversed, questions arose about the plea agreement's validity. The state claimed the defendant breached the agreement by not testifying at the retrial, and the trial judge declined to compel the defendant to testify again. The Arizona Supreme Court ruled that the defendant's actions violated the agreement, convicting the defendant of first-degree murder and sentencing them to death. The Supreme Court ultimately held that the defendant's breach of the plea agreement removed the double jeopardy bar for the first-degree murder charge, allowing the state to prosecute without violating the defendant's rights. The court reasoned that since the defendant had not fulfilled their part of the agreement, the state was no longer bound by its terms and could proceed with the original charge. This decision clarified the ramifications of violating plea agreements and upheld the state's ability to prosecute when defendants fail to honor them.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.